Shit. What is that?
What the fuck?
Oh, this guy.
There you go. So that's something I'm really looking forward to when I get my P's. I have my Jesus Christ.
I think that will then encourage other people to start to have a go and to try it for themselves. I think always with a new crop, with anything new, there are those who will have a go and give it a try. Some will be successful and perhaps some not, and then other people will watch for a while, and then when people start to get a handle on it.
How do you feel about it? All right?
Yeah, no, but it's
Hey, I've got one of these now.
Hey?
Would that have got that?
Yeah. Put your fucking headlights on. You haven't got your headlights on. No, fucking map, dude. The fucking give way sign, you fucking idiots! That's a give way sign, mate. Have a wonderful day.
What a fuckwit! You fucking wanker! Fuck's sake!
Should be quite a fascinating thing to see it play out in a couple of hours' time. Okay, young talent son. Well, they filmed their 50th anniversary show, so surprisingly no free to wear.
doing? Girl.
So can we just make sure on Monday we can guarantee? See you Monday. Breakfast with Rice. Weekdays from 6 on Triple J.
Fucking Jesus. And here I am now, training and...
It's the same thing. If it's really obvious, and you pay attention, and you're courteous, the problem, I suppose, there are many people who are not paying attention. So while it may be obvious when you see them doing it, if you're a tribalist who goes along with this, if you're a dogma to them,
Oh! Fucking asshole!
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, by me having meeting all days, meeting.
Yeah, someone's busted running the red light. Oh, this will have to go to Scotty's dash cams.
No blinker, so just have to treat it like it's a Maverick. Oh, good one.
Motion detected for the vehicle ahead.
Whoa, whoa. What are you doing?
It's needed in America.
Uh,